Welcome back to Cooking with Texas Chevy. Today I will be smoking a brisket. I'll be using an 8 to 10 pound brisket that's already been trimmed and Fiesta brisket seasoning. And we're going to rub this all over the brisket, both sides. I just use the dry rub, I don't use anything else. To get the fire started, I'll be using Kingsford Original Charcoal, and for the smoke, I will be using B&B Hickory Wood. I like the flavor that this adds to the meat. I'll be using a chimney to get the charcoal started, and once that gets nice and white, I'll add it to the pit. To start, I'll put it on the top rack with fat side up. I'll be using an Outdoor Gourmet dual probe thermometer to verify the 250 degrees that we're cooking the brisket at, because you can never trust the thermometer that's on the pit. After about 2 hours with the fat side up, we're going to flip it and put the fat side down for the next 2 hours prior to wrapping it in aluminum foil. Once I put that brisket back in there, we're going to open it up nice and wide to get all that heat back. So the brisket's been in the smoker for 4 hours or so right now. I've already flipped it once, and now I'm going to take it out and wrap it in foil for the remainder of the smoke. We'll be smoking it for 45 minutes to an hour, hour and a half per pound. We're going to take it out when the temperature reads right around 225 to 250. Once it reaches our ideal temperature, we're going to be placing it in a cooler. And that's going to be in the cooler for the next hour, hour and a half. But if you're not going to be serving it within the next hour, hour and a half, we want to lower our temperature in our pit to about 200 degrees and maintain it in there. But remember, when you're ready to serve it, put it in the cooler about an hour to an hour and a half prior to serving. And when you're ready to serve it, slice it and put your favorite barbecue sauce on it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. The next thing I'll be making is homemade chocolate chip walnut cookies.